Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can rearrange pages in your Word document really quickly and with very little effort. So let us get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, as you can see, we're on an example Word document like that, and I would like to rearrange these pages. So what you want to do is, in the first step, is open a new blank sheet here in Microsoft Word. To do that, click on File in the top left corner and select New Blank Document here or New Blank Sheet. In the next step, click on that Restore icon or button in the very top left corner next to the X icon and resize that window here with the blank new page so that it covers the half or the right half or the left half of your display. And after that, repeat the same process with your first document on Word here to restore and to resize it so that it covers the other half of your display. And that's almost it, guys. What you want to do in the final step is simply copy the content of your first page just like that with your left mouse and press Ctrl C on your keyboard, or alternately right click on it and select copy. And after that, head over to your new blank sheet, start with the first page here and copy the content of your previous document just like that here on the first page of your new document, just like that, and continue with the next page. But in this case, let's say I would like to make page number 3 of my first Word document the new page number 2 on my new document. So what you want to do is copy the content of page number 3 on the first document, press Ctrl C, head over to a new document, and paste it here on page 2. And yeah, simply repeat the same process with the remaining pages of your first document by adding them or pasting them to your new document in the order you like. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.